Good morning, dear students. Today we are going to study the 10th chapter of our English grammar books, the present and the past tense. So we know there are three types of tenses: the present tense, past tense, and future tense. Today we are going to study about present tense and past tense. When we speak or write about something, we usually need to indicate whether the situation exists in the present, existed in the past, or it is likely to exist in the future. Verb help us to do this. Word forms that indicate a particular point in time or a period of time in the present, past, or future are called tense. So tense is basically word forms that tells us about time. Okay, tense are basically word forms which tells us about time. Suppose today is what day? Suppose tomorrow today is Tuesday. Okay, tomorrow will be what day? Tomorrow will be fitness day. Yesterday was which day? It was Monday. So today is Tuesday. So Tuesday is our present tense. Tomorrow will be our future tense. Yesterday, whatever day it was our past tense. Okay, every verb has a base form. Example: eat, drink, play, read, go. Another set of verbs that helps to determine tense, moods, and voices are called auxiliary or helping word. Example: be, do, have, and can, could, may, shall. Okay, so every verb is having a base form of the verb. Like this is the base form of verb: eat, drink, play, read, go. These are the base form of the verb, or they are also called as main verb, and sometimes these main verbs require the help of some other verbs to clear its meaning, and it is called as auxiliary or helping verbs. The past participle form of verb is usually formed by adding ed after the verb. Example: okay, so sometimes there are three forms of verb. The first is present, the other is past, and the third form is past participle. Okay, so how do we make the past participle form of verb? The past participle form of verb is made by adding ed after the verb. Now first of all we'll study about the present tense. Study the table below to see how the present tense are formed. Simple present tense: I talk, she talks, you talk, they talk. Present continuous tense: I am talking, he is talking, you are talking, they are talking. Present perfect tense: I have talked, she has talked, you have talked. Okay. Present perfect continuous tense: I have been talking, he has been talking, and they have been talking. So verb expressing the present. First we'll study about simple present tense. The simple present tense is used when you refer to something that exists in present time. When we talk about something in present time, we use simple present tense. When you talk about your thought, feeling, or immediate reaction to events happening in the present, so whenever you talk about your feelings or thought or give immediate reaction to something which is happening in present, in that case also we use our simple present tense. And what else, and where else we do use our simple present tense? When you refer to repeated action or habits or things that happen regularly. Okay, when you talk about some things or actions which occurs repeatedly, or some habits which are repeated, or some things which happen regularly, when you talk about those things, in that case also we use our simple present tense. When you refer to universal or general truths or law of nature, when we talk about general truths of nature or universal truth, like the universal truth matlab a truth which is you can't say that no, this is not the truth. Like a universal truth can be like the sun rises in the east. This is a universal truth. ये झुटलाया नहीं जा सकता, एक ऐसी बात जो झुटलाई नहीं जा सकती. So whenever we talk about universal truths, they are also given in simple present tense. So for writings in simple present tense, there is a very basic formula. The formula will be subject plus verb का first form plus s or es. Okay, this is the basic formula of simple present tense. Okay, simple present tense. Now read the passage given below. This passage given below carefully with notice the highlighted word. Every Sunday Amit and his parents go camping near a lake. They pitch their tent near the bank. Now notice go, pitch. These are all are verbs. Okay. Amit and his father go for boating in the lake. Why does the mother not join them? She does not like boating. See, she cooks breakfast while they are away. After breakfast, Amit plays a game of badminton with his mother. She plays badminton very well. Okay, so all these highlighted words are in simple present tense. Like you can, for one more example of a simple present tense, we can see that Ronaldo chases the ball. So what is our subject? Ronaldo. Chase was our verb in first form, है ना, वर्ब इन फर्स्ट फॉर्म, उसमें हमने एस या ई एस जोड़ दिया तो क्या बन गया? चेजेस. ठीक है, चेज में हमने एस जोड़ा है, चेजेस बन गया वो. फिर हमारा क्या आ जाता है? ऑब्जेक्ट आ जाता है. सो दिस इज़ अ वेरी बेसिक फॉर्मूला ऑफ सिंपल प्रेजेंट टेंस. नाउ विल नेक्स्ट स्टडी अबाउट प्रेजेंट कंटिन्यूअस टेंस. So what is present continuous tense? A thing which is happening in the present time continuously. A thing which is happening in the present time continuously is called as comes under our present continuous tense. Present continuous tense is used when you refer to temporary situation or when you wish to emphasize something. For example, some examples are given over. Where to use the present continuous tense? We will study this. Where to use the present continuous. The present continuous denotes an action taking place at the time of speaking. Same thing which I have said, that a thing or work which takes place is happening continuously at the present time, and that comes under our present continuous tense. It means that it is raining now. It means that it started raining a short while ago. It is raining at the present moment and will continue raining for a while. No adverb or time is needed with this tense, though we may sometimes use words like now, at present, at this moment to suggest that the action is taking place at the time of speaking. It is also used to denote a temporary action which may not be necessarily happening at the time of speaking. Okay, so basically what is a simple present tense? Present continuous tense. Present continuous tense tells us about something which is going on continuously in the present times. Okay, so there is a very basic formula of simple present continuous tense, that is subject plus is, am or are plus verb first form plus ing. Okay, like this example, it is raining now. Here it is our subject. From ismr I have chosen is. Rain was the verb first form. Okay, in rain I have added ing, so it became raining. Then comes our object. It is raining now. Okay, so this is a formula of present continuous tense. Simple present or present continuous tense. Okay, so simple present or present continuous tense. The simple present tense expresses a habitual action, the present continuous expression taking place at the time of speaking. Okay, so in simple present tense we talk about a habit. Okay, in simple present tense we talk about a habit, but in present continuous tense we talk about something, an action which is taking place at the time, when at the present time. Words not normally used in the continuous tenses. The following words are normally used in the simple present tense and not in the present continuous tense. Like these some verbs are given over here, which are these types of words are used in simple present tense and they are not used in present continuous tense. For example, verb or senses. When we talk about verb or some senses, hear, see, smell or taste, they will always come in simple present tense and not in present continuous tense. When we talk about verb of feeling and emotion, okay, this of whenever we will be talking about feelings and emotional verbs, these all will also come in simple present tense and not in present continuous tense. Verb of mental state and activity. Whenever we will talk about a mental state or activity, so that all will also come in our simple present tense. Like you can see the examples given over. Word showing possession, word showing ownership of something will also come in a simple present tense. Verb like seem, appear, cause, consist, contain, resemble may be described as non-action verbs. Since they do not denote an action, they cannot be used in the continuous tense. Okay, so these are examples of some more verbs which do not have do not show any kind of action, and when they are not showing any kind of action, so they cannot be used in continuous tense. So that's why that's why they will come in simple present tense. When have shows possession, when have shows possession or condition, we should not use it in present continuous tense. Okay, whenever when have is showing possession over something or any condition, so we will not use have in present continuous tense. When the word have is showing ownership or condition of something, so we will not use have in present continuous tense, but we can use have in present continuous in the following case. But when can we use in the have in the present continuous tense? When have refers to some arrangement for when we are talking about some arrangements we are making for the future, in that case we can use have for present continuous tense. Like we are having a party tomorrow, so we are talking about something in future. So whenever we are making an arrangement for the future or talking about the future, in that case we can use have in present continuous tense. But when we are using have to show ownership or condition, at that case we won't use have in present continuous tense. Okay, now next comes our verbs expressing past. Okay, so let's see verb expressing past. The past tense of have. So what is past? We know what is past. Past means a time which is already past. Soon after I left school, it started raining. I had a raincoat with me, but the raincoat did not have a cap. Unfortunately, I did not have an umbrella either, so I could not cover my head. I got drenched in rain. When I reached home, I had a fever. The words printed in bold letters are the past tense of the verb have. Okay, so the words whatever you have looking over here, okay, the had, did not have, again had, these all are the past tense of the word have. Okay, and the positive words over here are had not, and did not have are the negative words. Interrogative words are had you, did you have, did you. I had a pencil. I hadn't any pencil. I did not have any pencil. Had you a pencil? Did you have any pencil? So these are the same in the past form. How you positive in the past form, a positive sentence, a negative sentence, and an interrogative sentence. Past tense of be. It was Sunday yesterday. So be, there are various forms of be. It can be is, am, are, was, were. Be के अलग अलग form से it can be is, am, are. In past it will be was or were. ठीक है. So past tense of be, it was Sunday yesterday. Ruchi and Shikha were at home. One Saturday night they had gone to bed. They had gone to bed, so they were still not awake. They wanted to sleep longer, but was angry. The words in bold are past tense of the forms of the be. So the words was, were, was, these are past tense of the word be. They are actions that have happened in the past. These are talking about the actions which have happened in the past. Past मतलब ऐसा समय जो गुजर चुका है, या ऐसा काम जो गुजरे हुए समय में हुआ है. Past forms of be. I was not, I wasn't. ठीक है. Past form of be, in positive it will be I was, in negative it will be I was not or I wasn't, in interrogative it will be was I. We were, in negative it will be we were not, in interrogative it will be were we. Again you were, in negative it will be you were not, weren't you. In interrogative he was, in negative it will be he was not, and interrogative will be wasn't he. She was, in negative it will be she was not, in interrogative it will be was she. It was, in negative it will be it was not, in interrogative it will be wasn't it. They were, in negative it will be they were not, and in interrogative will be weren't they. Okay, so students, in today's class we have studied about past forms of be, simple present tense and present continuous tense. In the next class we are going to continue with the remaining chapter. Thank you. Have a nice day.